How to add a video on your Shopify homepage with Autoplay. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys two ways that you can insert a Autoplay video into your Shopify homepage. So let's get into it. Now, one thing to note is that a video can be in two formats, a direct video, or you might want to add a video background. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to do both of those things. So let's get into it. Now, the first step you have to do is go into your Shopify dashboard. Once you go into your Shopify dashboard, on the left, you want to click on Content. Once you click on Content, click on Files under Content. Over here, you want to click on Upload Files, and you want to upload the video that you want to insert into your Shopify store as a auto-playing video. I'll just upload any video over here as an example. So I'll just upload this. I've already uploaded another video, this one over here as well. And that is the first step of where you're going to use a autoplay video. Now, you can also link YouTube videos for this, but I recommend that you download and upload the video into Shopify for a faster loading time. Now, once you've done that, the next step you're going to do is you're going to go into Online Store on the left and click on Edit Code. So I'll show you guys the before and after for this as well. So if you customize your Shopify store right now and you click on Add Section, you don't have the option to add a auto-playing video background. You just have the option to add a video. And if you insert a video, it doesn't autoplay. So I'll show you guys how to insert a regular auto-playing video as well as a background autoplay. So first off, go into Online Store on the left, click on these three dots, and then click on Edit Code. Once you click on Edit Code, on the left, you're going to find a bunch of folders. So in all of these folders, you're going to open up the Sections folder. Once you open up the Sections folder, you're going to click on Add a New Section. Once you click on Add a New Section, you have two options of either Liquid or JSON. You want to keep it selected at .liquid, and you're going to enter a file name. Your file name is going to be background-video. And once you insert that, just click on Done. Now, once you have inserted this new snippet of code, you will see that a default code will appear. You want to select that and delete the code. And now, once you have done that, you're going to go on ahead and copy this code over here. I will leave a link to the background video code in the description box down below. So just open that up and copy this entire code. And it's a really long code, so you're just going to copy this like so, and make sure to copy every single line in this because it's 859 lines. So make sure you start from the top and copy till the bottom. So make sure that you are copying even, like the first bracket. So if you don't do that, that can make the code not work. So once you've done that, you're going to paste it in background-video. So the new folder that you just created, you're going to paste the code in there. And once you do, just click on Save. Once you've done that, exit back and now click on Customize on your online store. Once you do that, you will see I've already inserted a video, but once you do that, you can click on Add Section on the bottom left. And then if you scroll down in your sections, below your custom liquid, you're going to actually find a video section that you can add. And I've already inserted a video background, but I'll show you guys once more. Just click on Add Section, and if you scroll to the bottom, you're going to find Video Background. So you're going to add video background, and whatever is the title of the file you created, that is what shows up over here. So once you do that, you're going to click on Video Slide under Video Background, and you're going to paste a link to your video. So how do you get a link to your video? Well, to do that, head on over into your Shopify store. So just go back into your Shopify store dashboard, and in your store dashboard, go into Content, Files, and take the video that you uploaded. I'll take the video of the girl eating pizza, and then copy the link from the right. So I've copied the link from here, and now what I'm going to do is, once I've copied the link, I'm going to go back into my online store. And once I go into my online store, I'll click on Customize, and I've already used this, but I'll show you guys how you can insert it. So click on add section, click on sections, and then search for video background. And once you search for video background, open up the video slide and paste in your link over here. Once you do that, you can go on ahead and add your own heading text over here as well. So let's say I want to add the best pizza in town, like this, and here is the best pizza, like this, and you can customize the text color as well as add a purchasing button, and this is how you can add a video background. So I can move this to the top as well. And one thing to note is that the mobile version can sometimes alter the text. So if you want to make sure that the mobile version keeps the text accurate, so if you don't want any issues with the text in the mobile version, click on the edit code again and search for base.css. And once you search for base.css, you're going to find it under assets. So click on the base.css and scroll to the bottom. Once you scroll to the bottom, you want to copy this code over here. It's a really short code, and you want to add that to the bottom of base.css. And I'll show you guys the difference that it's going to make, because I have used this already. But if I save it without the base.css code, what it's going to look like. So this is what the mobile version is currently like. I'll have to wait for the changes to be saved like this. And currently, because I have previously added this code, it's still formulated correctly, but your text might move to the bottom of the video if you don't add this code to the bottom of base.css. So I'm going to paste that in and click on save. This makes sure that the code that you have, the text that you have inserted in the video, it does not move to the bottom. Instead, it stays on top even in the mobile version. Now, this is just how you can insert a video as a background. If you want, you can directly go into this video background and you can remove all the text on top of it like this, and this would serve as a auto playing or a looping video. You don't necessarily have to do the other method, but the other method is a bit easier if you're just looking to insert a looping video. Now, let's say that this is our, basic video that we have inserted as a background video. If you want to insert just a video without any text on top of it, you're going to go into any page. You can insert this into basically any page, but click on add section and then scroll to the bottom and add a custom liquid. Once you add a custom liquid, open up the custom liquid code. And now, once you do that, you're going to copy this code over here. So copy this code over here. And once you do that, you're going to paste that liquid code into the liquid code section. Once you've done that, you're going to edit the code URL that is inserted. So you will see this option right over here, which is called src is equal to a apostrophe and then a video link. So in this particular highlighted section that you guys can see that I have highlighted right now, this is the section where you're going to add your actual video URL. So for us, our video URL is the pizza girl. So we're going to insert that again by going into content, files, and once we go into files, I'll just copy the link and then I will paste that in over here. Don't remove the apostrophes, just edit the MP4 link, paste that in. And once you paste that in, you will have the auto playing version of your video, again, without any type of text on top of it, a simple looping video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.